I hear one of your offices can actually do same-day crowns.
Yes.
So what is that all about?
Yeah, I know. It is. It's very exciting, and patients get all excited about it and they love it. It's actually, through a very well-known company called Dentistry. So we have their whole full system, starting with from cone beam, CBCT, the cone beam, the CT scan, X-ray,
right,
and also their scanner and the mill. So we can make the crown essentially in an hour and a half or sometimes within an hour. So you can come in, you could, go out with the crown in your mouth. You don't have to come back.
Wow.
And while you're waiting, we have a lot of patients who bring their laptop, they do their company work, or some of them sleep, or some of them read a book and have a crown in the same day. They're very aesthetic and patients love it, and we love it. We love it because we can see it's just the joy of making the crown by your own self,
What would a crown be used for besides an implant?
Oh, on a natural tooth. Like for example, if So if somebody's tooth is broken down quite a bit, that we cannot put a filling in there because the tooth just simply can't hold the filling. Tooth itself needs help to stay in your mouth. So it's almost like covering the tooth 360 degrees, like putting a helmet on on the tooth. So it just covers it up, and that's what the crowns are actually.
Wow.
They cover the tooth 360 degrees, and they're used for, the teeth which have big fillings on them or big cavity on it, or the teeth which are cracked. They're cracked only not to the root surface, but only cracked on the tooth structure itself. And you can put a crown so the tooth can stay in your mouth. You don't have to take the tooth out.